This video is just uh, for your own purpose use only, not to distribute or copy or paste anywhere else. Uh, so do this at your own risk, not my risk. So that's it. All right. These masks are hard to find. Right now it's back order. Now the people that needs the most gonna get it, which is the personnel, like emergency personnel, doctors, nurses, paramedics, firemen, whatever. They're gonna be using this. So if you got these, you're lucky, and you're not gonna find them because they're so hard to find. So I'll do some research to find out what these materials are made of, and I find out that it's gonna be backwards because I got the screen backwards. These filters for your house. This brand is it's called Filtric, whatever you know. It has to be a 1900 because 1900 has right there. It says virus. So for your house, you put it in. But they make this thin. It feels thinner because it's for filter, but it goes up and down like an accordion, you know. So I don't know if you can see it very good. See the accordion, it goes in and out, so it'll catch dust particle and virus in between. It's loose, it's like a sheet, but this is supposed to catch. This is supposed to catch viruses and stuff like that. So what I did is, got this half mask. I don't want to use my full mask. I got the half mask, because it's a tight fit around your mouth. Can't wear too much beer because it's no use, because then it's gonna leak inside. So you gotta keep it tight, beer shaved tight. And this mask use this type of filter, or you can put the other one that's like oval, look like an egg. They got different size. I got a bunch of these I don't need because they come with this padding. Then you can't find this padding anymore. They don't sell it anymore. So what I did is I bought this filter right here and took it apart, took the wire meshing and the wave board and everything. Look how much you get, because it's an accordion. It's a lot. So you can cut, you can make like you put it together like an accordion the way it is. You cut it the size you want, maybe low. You can get two out of here, half and half. You can get two masks, and then you staple it and put some rubber bands on it, and then you stretch it up. It's hard to move. Now you got a mask that's good for protecting you from the virus, better than the surgical mask. Surgical mask is not going to do anything. If surgical mask is it has protection one way only. If you cough, it'll keep you from spitting and saliva, and most of the germ that comes out will stick to the inside of the mask. If you don't have it, if you're smart, you turn the mask the other way around. That way, nothing goes in, because the protection is inside. That's what it is. So, but this, because it's virus protection, the same thing as this. A little lighter, so you can double up if you want. You can use it, help you a little bit. I don't say this 100%. So I don't say that to do this because Rob said it's gonna help keep you from getting the coronavirus, because you can have a mask, you can have this mask, and now you touch it everything. And you touch your eye, you rub your eye. Now you brought it in your body. It takes a little longer because it's got to run through your system, then breathe in it. But if you got this and then you don't protect your eyes and you touch your eyes, same thing. It's like not having it. But it helps. If you don't, freaking out that you don't have no mask, you can't find a mask, or that N95, you can make out of these. It's almost the same. So, but don't take my word for it. And so you can make hundreds of these little circles of this. So you can do for a month to replace it, use it a day, throw it away, or half a day and throw it away. Put more in. So that's what I did. I cut a strip the size of the hole like this. Like that. Mark the filter, which is this size. Mark it with a pen. And when I did, I folded. So I folded like not an accordion, but yeah, like an accordion. That way, make sure I leave the part is mark outside. Many 3/4 times. Out of this strip, I got five 5 these little circles. So, and then imagine that 5, and you get this thickness, and you get 1, 2, a little bunch. You can get a lot. So that's what I did. Okay, see this is how you get this. Put it on top of that strip that you cut. You trace it all over around, and you fold it right close to the edge. Fold it like that, and then fold it like that, and keep folding it. But you gotta make sure that this mark that you trace stays in the top. So you get like 5 times. Now you got it like that. See the mark? So what you do, so it won't move on you after you stretch it. You get a stapler. It doesn't matter what side you staple. Staple 2 sides. You want to feel comfortable for, but you don't have to. So now to stay in place, when you cut it on the right on the line that you just mark. It doesn't matter if you try to cut it in the outside, so it'll be a perfect fit, nice and tight. So there'll be no gaps on the little filters. Cut it. Get a good scissor. This scissors even cut metal, so it's nice and sharp. So now you got a circle. You get your staple remover. Staple straighten the pins, the tape staple. Pull it out. Well, now you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So you can get 2. You got 1 left over, right? So you can put double. You can put single. This one came out. If you want to do that, cut one side. That way the ends stay together. That way when you glue it, you get the hot glue. Maybe you can see that. You glue it from there. You don't need a lot of glue. Just in the edges to. I need a new glue stick. But then you put it there, stretch it. You want something heavy, you can put your own filter back in the top, do it like that. The glue dries so fast. See, I need another glue stick. It's not going deep enough. But you get my drift, right? So just enough to put it at the edge. You don't need a lot. So now you got 1, see? And you get 5 out of that. 5 doubles. And you got 2 more, do the same thing. That's how you do it. Remember that this is only for this type of filter. And the filter here is the North N75001L, which this is for like if you're gonna paint oil, but keep you from getting oil stuff in your breathing oil and vapors. But since I can no longer use this because if I can get this filter out of here, we can no longer they are there, but our company can't buy them because we don't have contract with them. This is for vapors, gas, oil, stuff like that. So I'm eliminating this and replacing it with this filter, which is the filter I show you, the 1900, which is for viruses and stuff like that. So I put 2 plies in here. I put two together, and I'm gonna put it inside. Usually you put this inside, but I'm no longer using it for painting. I'm gonna use it for the coronavirus. So now I got the little screen in there, the sheet in there. I put double. So now you put this together. You put it in there. Now this, instead of having a filter for oil, painting, and all that stuff, is now transforming for coronavirus or any viruses that are floating out there, for particles, drops, and stuff like that. So now I can use, it has double, it has two of these. This is for the half mask only. So now I'm using it for, for the coronavirus. So I don't have to breathe in those things because it got the filter in there. It's double. You can make a triple, but the more that you put it, the harder it's gonna be hard to breathe. Two should be enough. And in case I have to go out for a long time, I use this. In the meantime, I could use the other one I have, the N95. But this protects against viruses too. So now I transform from painting to viruses. So that's it. That's it. That's only used for. You can no longer use it anymore for painting because then you have to change that and put this padding again. You can buy. They're expensive. They're like for 10 is like $58 or something like that. So, but that's it, people.